In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove Adobe Photoshop extension from your Chrome browser. So if you had installed Adobe Photoshop extension but you no longer need it, then let me take you through a step-by-step process to completely remove this or uninstall this extension. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your extension list, and you can simply do this by clicking on ellipsis here, then go to extensions and you should see manage extensions. Alternatively, you can just use a shortcut by clicking on this icon here that is on your homepage for Chrome browser. This is an icon for extensions. If you click on it, now you should see manage extensions. By clicking on this, you will see a list of all extensions installed on your Chrome browser. Among them, you can see we have Adobe Photoshop. You can go ahead and just turn it off if you don't want to uninstall it. However, if you want to completely remove it, then proceed to remove and then confirm by clicking on remove here. This will go ahead and remove it from your list. As you can see, it has been removed. So that's how you can permanently remove Adobe Photoshop extension from your Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.